Are you a startup, small business, or medium enterprise in India? MSME registration, also called Udyam registration, can help you assess government subsidies, tax benefits, and easier bank loans. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know from benefits to eligibility to the online registration process. Hi, I am Poonam from Diligent Certification. What is MSME Udyam registration process? MSME registration is a formal process where your business is recognized as a medium, micro, or small enterprises by the Government of India. It provides a Udyam certificate, which is crucial to assess government schemes, financial supports, and credit facilities. Earlier known as SSI registration or NSIC registration. Udyam registrations now offers a simplified online process to help MSMEs grow and gain credibility. Benefits of MSME registration. MSME registration offers several benefits: credibility, gain official recognition for your business, government subsidies, access central and state government schemes, low interest loan, easier access to interest bank loans with or without collateral, priority in government tenders, increased chances in procurement, tax benefits, rebates and exemptions for registered MSMEs, trade fair participation, compete nationally and internationally. This registration strengthens your business and unlock your growth opportunities. Eligibility criteria: who can apply? Any proprietorship, partnership, LLP, or private company can apply. Eligibility is based on investment in plant and machinery equipment, annual turnover. Additionally, valid Aadhaar and PAN are required, and the business must comply with government norms and documents you need. Required documents include Aadhaar and PAN, official business name and address, mobile number and email ID, bank accounts and IFSC code, number of employees, turnover and investment in machinery equipment, NIC code of business activity, date of incorporation. All details are verified by online-based Aadhaar or based OTP. Step-by-step registration process. Visit the official online registration portal. Visit the official Udyam registration portal. Enter Aadhaar and verify by OTP. Fill in business, bank and NIC code details. Submit the application. Download your Udyam certificate. It has permanent valid. At Diligent Certification, we certify MSME registration from start to finish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more business and compliance videos. Thanks for watching.